Hey everyone! Still using those air spray cans that run out after just a few bursts? Feels like wasting money, right? Now it's time for the smarter way to clean, with powerful, rechargeable air dusters that deliver storm-level performance in seconds. Today, we'll show you the top 5 best air dusters packed with power, performance, and durability all in one. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster. The WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool built for anyone who wants a reliable way to remove dust without using disposable air cans. It features a turbofan that reaches up to 110,000 revolutions per minute and includes 3 adjustable speed settings, so you can easily handle light or heavy dusting. With its lightweight 0.45 pounds body, this air duster is easy to hold and carry anywhere, and the included lanyard makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. The MF50 comes with 4 nozzles, giving you flexibility to clean everything from keyboards and computers to car interiors and small home items. It fully recharges in just 3.5 hours using a Type-C cable and runs up to 240 minutes on the lowest setting, making it energy efficient and reusable. Pros: compact and easy to carry, long-lasting battery life. Cons: might struggle with deep or stubborn dust. Who it's for: great for home users who need a simple, portable cleaner. Final verdict: the MF50 is a practical choice if you want strong performance in a small, eco-friendly package. Product number 2. WOLFBOX MF100 Electric Air Duster. The WOLFBOX MF100 Electric Air Duster is designed for users who want more power and durability. Its brushless motor spins up to 150,000 revolutions per minute, delivering a strong wind speed of 45 meters per second that quickly clears dust from even the tightest spots. With 3 adjustable speeds, it adapts to a wide range of cleaning tasks, from delicate electronics to heavy dust in cars and workshops. The MF100 includes 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, allowing precise and thorough cleaning. It fully charges in just 2.5 hours through a Type-C port and provides up to 100 minutes of runtime on the lowest gear. Made from quality materials, it can be reused hundreds of times, reducing waste and long-term costs. Pros: extremely powerful airflow, multiple accessories for versatile cleaning. Cons: slightly heavier and more expensive than smaller models. Who it's for: ideal for those who want pro-level cleaning at home or work. Final verdict: the MF100 is a high-performance duster built to tackle tough jobs with ease. Product number 3. FRESMOL 100,000 Revolutions per Minute Electric Air Duster. The FRESMOL Electric Air Duster offers a balanced mix of power, convenience, and affordability. It runs on a 100,000 revolutions per minute motor with 3 airflow speeds that can handle both gentle and deep cleaning. One of its best features is the built-in LED light and display screen that shows the remaining battery level and wind gear, making it easy to use in dark or narrow spaces. The 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use and fully charges within 3 to 4 hours via Type-C. It includes 5 nozzles and 3 brushes for cleaning electronics, keyboards, car dashboards, and even inflating small items. Compared to disposable air cans, it's more eco-friendly and reusable. Pros: LED light and battery display for better visibility, compact and comfortable grip. Cons: battery life could be longer for extended cleaning sessions. Who it's for: perfect for everyday users who value simplicity and portability. Final verdict: the FRESMOL duster is a handy, user-friendly cleaner that gets the job done with smart features at a fair price. Product number 4. ZOAIVR 130,000 Revolutions per Minute Cordless Electric Air Duster. The ZOAIVR Cordless Electric Air Duster delivers serious cleaning power in a lightweight design. Its upgraded 130,000 revolutions per minute motor creates airflow up to 52 meters per second, strong enough to remove years of built-up dust in seconds. It features 4 adjustable speeds, so you can match the airflow to the task at hand, whether it's a computer keyboard or a car vent. The 8,000 mAh battery lasts up to 120 minutes on low speed and recharges in only 2.5 hours with a Type-C cable. The set includes 6 nozzles and 10 detail brushes, giving you everything needed for precise cleaning and even outdoor uses like inflating gear. Despite its strength, It weighs just 0.62 pounds and comes with a lanyard and storage bag. Pros: outstanding airflow strength, generous set of attachments. Cons: can be loud when used at the highest setting. Who it's for: best for people who need strong, versatile performance in one tool. Final verdict: the ZOAIVR offers pro-level cleaning ability in a portable, well-designed package that works anywhere. Product number 5. VASSON 260,000 revolutions per minute cordless electric air duster. The VASSON electric air duster is built for those who demand extreme power. Its brushless motor reaches an impressive 260,000 revolutions per minute and produces airflow speeds up to 45 meters per second, making it one of the most powerful dusters available. It comes with 3 adjustable speeds and includes 5 nozzles, 1 cleaning brush, and a handy storage bag. Despite its strength, the design remains lightweight at only 0.68 pounds. The device recharges in just 3 hours via Type-C and runs for up to 150 minutes on low mode. The handle is made from liquid silicone for a comfortable grip, and the built-in overheat protection ensures safe use in a range of temperatures. It can even inflate air beds, clean car vents, or blow away snow. Pros: extremely high-speed motor, versatile for both cleaning and inflating. Cons: high power may drain battery faster on top settings. Who it's for: perfect for users who want professional-grade strength and speed. Final verdict: the VASSON is a powerhouse cleaner that delivers unmatched performance and reliability for any cleaning challenge. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.